Good day, everyone. Welcome to TubeMate, your ultimate source for all things YouTube. One name continues to ring true with millions of admirers worldwide in the constantly changing world of online content creation, PewDiePie. Felix Kjellberg, better known online as PewDiePie, is regarded as a legend in the gaming and YouTube communities as of 2023. The incredible path of PewDiePie is explored, from his early years as a YouTuber to his continuous influence in 2023. PewDiePie surpassed 1 million subscribers on YouTube on July 11, 2012. This statistic is a milestone in the history of PewDiePie's YouTube channel, as it marks the moment when he achieved a major milestone in his career. Since starting his channel, Felix has amassed more than 22 billion views across his entire channel and pulls in over 420 million views each month. These views alone are responsible for the majority of his income, pulling in estimated monthly earnings of $500,000 per month or $6 million per year. The PewDiePie origin story. Felix Kjellberg was born on October 24, 1989, in Gothenburg, Sweden, where PewDiePie's life begins. He first entered the YouTube world in 2010 when he founded the PewDiePie channel. At first, the majority of his output was made up of Let's Play videos in which he would play and discuss various video games. His sincere enthusiasm, sense of humor, and unique commenting style rapidly attracted interest. The rise of YouTube supremacy. PewDiePie's quick ascent to fame on YouTube was distinguished by his distinctive approach to gaming programming. He didn't just play games, he immersed himself in them and shared with his burgeoning fan base his raw emotions, amusing anecdotes, and emotional opinions. He won over viewers of all ages with his tagline, "Bro Army," and his lovable demeanor. PewDiePie's victory over other well-known YouTube channels to win the channel with the most subscribers in 2013 was one of his defining moments. His Let's Play videos, especially those for horror titles like Amnesia, The Dark Descent, and Slender, the 8 pages propelled him to stardom. His appearances on Fridays with PewDiePie and Pew News further established him as a content producer capable of handling a range of genres and formats. The tumultuous path to 2023. PewDiePie hasn't had an entirely smooth road despite his enormous popularity. He received criticism in 2017 for publishing videos containing anti-Semitic themes, which resulted in a large loss of sponsorships and collaborations. He did, however, apologize in front of everyone and make amends. When the slogan "Subscribe to PewDiePie" started to be connected with the Christchurch mosque shootings in 2019, PewDiePie found himself in the middle of controversy once more. In response, he denounced the phrase and demanded that it no longer be used. PewDiePie used these episodes as turning points in his career, highlighting the necessity of accountability and responsibility in the influencer sector. Beyond gaming, expanding horizons. The effect of PewDiePie went well beyond video games. He expanded the scope of his work by adding vlogs, commentary, and joint ventures with other authors. He became one of the most recognizable and adored characters on the site, thanks to his distinct sense of humor and sincerity, which connected with viewers. PewDiePie had a temporary break from regularly producing material in 2020, but he soon made a successful comeback. His content continued to develop, adding conversations on various pop culture themes, meme reviews, and responses to online trends. The PewDiePie Brand. PewDiePie's brand extends beyond YouTube. He has ventured into merchandise, releasing products that feature his iconic logo and catchphrases, further cementing his place in pop culture. Additionally, he published a book titled "This Book Loves You" in 2015, which became a bestseller. The effect of PewDiePie. PewDiePie's effect on YouTube and the web in general is immense. Numerous creators were encouraged by him to pursue their interests and establish their own online communities. His commitment to making a difference in the world was demonstrated by his philanthropic efforts, which included substantial donations to charitable organizations. PewDiePie will continue to be the dominant player in online content creation until 2023. The fact that he went from being a Swedish gamer who loved to make people laugh to becoming a global icon is proof of his talent, hard work, and perseverance. PewDiePie's popularity extends far beyond YouTube, and his continued existence serves as a reminder of the digital age's ever-expanding possibilities. PewDiePie's influence on the world of online entertainment is undeniable, and his journey in 2023 is a captivating chapter in his ongoing legacy, regardless of whether you are a longtime fan or a newcomer to his content. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the world of YouTube here at TubeMate. If you enjoyed today's video and want more exciting content just like this, hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and let's continue this incredible YouTube journey together. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.